Meditorque Elite Low-Speed Line. Medidenta's Meditorque Elite Low-Speed lineup includes the Meditorque Elite 25K motor, swing latch contra angle options, push-button latch contra angles, push-button friction grip contra angles, Meditorque Elite Straight, and the Interprox Elite. To further enhance your options, we also provide E-type nose cones and Doriad-style contra angles. Crafted with precision in our Japanese factory, the Meditorque Elite Low-Speed line ensures top-notch quality and reliability. Each component, from the motor to the various attachments, is meticulously manufactured to meet the high standards required for dental procedures. This line of handpieces is available for individual purchase or as part of a convenient 3-piece kit, offering flexibility and cost-effectiveness for your dental practice. Choose Meditorque Elite for the precision you need to meet the specific requirements of your patients and experience the reliability that comes from our commitment to excellence in dental instrument manufacturing. Contra angles and attachments. Medidenta also offers a diverse range of contra angles and straight nose cones, including precision E-type contra and straights, alongside Midwest type and star type options. Our carefully curated selection ensures that you can find the right fit for your specific needs. Rest assured, our commitment to quality ensures that our products consistently meet and exceed your expectations. Choose Medidenta for a comprehensive and reliable array of contra angles and straight nose cones, providing the precision and performance your dental practice demands.